Hi there, I'm Paul King, Shibboleth Operations Manager here at Overt Software. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 5 recommendations to strengthen your IDP over Christmas. Strategy 1. Update your Shibboleth IdP version. Updating your Shibboleth IdP and making sure that it's on the latest version is a great way to ensure that your IDP is secure and running smoothly over the Christmas period. IDP updates often include bug fixes and security patches, which are great for making sure that your IDP stays healthy. Strategy 2. Make sure that your domain controller certificates are valid over Christmas period. For a lot of IDPs, the connection back to Active Directory and LDAP uses LDAP-S. To ensure that this connection remains up over the Christmas period, it's great to check that your domain controller certificates are valid and in date and won't expire over Christmas. Strategy 3. Make sure your SSL certificates are valid over Christmas. It's important to make sure that your IDP SSL certificates are also valid over the Christmas period. These certificates provide your users with HTTPS access on your IDP, and by making sure that they're valid and not expiring over Christmas, you can rest assured knowing that your users are secure. Strategy 4. Make use of Overt's free IDP dashboard. The Overt IDP dashboard is a great tool which allows you to run a number of different health checks on your IDP. It can provide you with easy to see health information about the server your IDP is running on, such as CPU usage, memory usage and IDP uptime. It can also let you know if you have expired metadata running on your IDP, along with letting you know how many failed authentications have occurred over a set time period, so that you can identify and resolve issues before Christmas. Strategy 5. 24/7 support. 24/7 support is a great way to ensure that if there are any issues over the Christmas period, you can rest easy knowing that the Shibboleth 24/7 support team are here to help. All you would need to do is call up 24/7 support number, enter your PIN code and you will be connected with the Shibboleth engineer. You can now get 1 month of 24/7 support free with our 2021 Christmas deal. We're offering new 24/7 customers 5 free calls valid over December 2021 only. This will cover you over the busy Christmas period and will give you that little bit of extra troubleshooting security. There'll be no pressure to enter a support contract with us once December has ended. Simply sign up by the end of November to get your 5 free calls.